Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 18th, our word of the day is quaff. Q-U-A-F-F. Quaff. Quaff is a 5-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Quaff means to drink something quickly or in large amounts. In other words, to drink a beverage, especially an intoxicating one, copiously and with hearty enjoyment. To quaff is to gulp. You're in a desert, you haven't had water in days, you're wicked thirsty, then you find an oasis, you lean over and quaff the water. Similar words include gulp, guzzle, imbibe, sip, swig, swill, down, partake, sup, swallow, toss. Examples of sentences using quaff are: recently returned to port, the sailors quaffed their ale with gusto. Your cup full, you quaff the cool refreshing draught and give thanks. They spent the evening quaffing champagne. The young man quaffed himself into tipsiness. The bridegroom quaffed down a glass of brandy. We crave new knowledge like some people quaff coffee after a hangover. Make sure to save this new word, quaff, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.